Hi guys, मैं अमित कुमार माइती. Welcome all of you in my channel.
Today I will share with you why Railway Authority more focus on head-on generation or HOG. Actually, the system was running with the diesel locomotive and EOG or end-on generation because maximum area of the railway was not under the 25 kV overhead line. Naturally, 750 volt power was being provided to the rake by the end-on generation. Diesel consumption rate or diesel burning rate in the diesel engine of 22 coaches rake is depend on the electrical load of the rake. Actually, electrical load demand changes with time. From 11 hours up to 16 hours, the load demand become maximum. Almost 78% of full capacity of diesel engine generator or DG. Full capacity of DG is 400 kilowatt or 385 ampere. Consumption of diesel per hour when DG run on full load is 110 liters. So total diesel consumption from 11 hours up to 16 hours during this period is 78% of 110 liters into 5, that means 430 liters. Next, from 16 hours up to 22 hours, average load demand is 55% of full capacity of DG. So consumption of diesel during this period is 55% of 110 liters into 6, that means 366 liters. Then from 22 hours up to 06 hours, the average load demand is minimum, that means 50% of DG full capacity. So diesel consumption during this period is 50% of 110 liters into 8, that means 440 liters. Finally, from 06 hours up to 11 hours, the average load demand is 61% of DG full capacity. So diesel consumption during this period is 61% of 110 liters into 5, that means 335 liters. So total diesel consumption in 24 hours for 22 coaches rake each (1571 liters). And average consumption per hour 1571 divided 24 liters, that means 65 liters. Or 65 liters of diesel is required to run the light, fan and air conditioning system of 22 coaches rake per hour. (22 coaches express train is running with the speed of 160 km per hour by the diesel locomotive. So diesel consumption by the locomotive engine per kilometer is around 9 liters. So diesel consumption per hour with the same speed is 160 into 9 liters, that means 1440 liters. So total diesel consumption by the running express train per hour is 65 liters for the rake and 1440 liters for the diesel locomotive. So total is around 1500 liters. 400 kilowatt hour electric energy is generated by the burning of 110 liters of diesel. So 1 kilowatt hour electric energy is generated by the 0.3 liters of diesel. We know the price of 1 liter of diesel is rupees 70. So the cost of diesel to generate 1 unit electricity is rupees 70 into 0.3, that means rupees 21. And with adding another cost, around rupees 22 is needed for generating 1 unit electricity from the burning of diesel. We know 4 kilowatt hour or 4 unit electricity is produced by the burning of 1 liter of diesel. So by the burning of 1500 liters of diesel, 1500 into 4, that means 6000 unit electricity is produced. Suppose a rake containing 22 coaches is running with the speed of 160 km per hour by the diesel locomotive. So total expenditure per hour is 6000 into rupees 22, that means rupees 1,32,000. The 22 coaches express train may be run by the using of HOG or head-on generation technology. First of all, it is required 25 kV overhead line. Then electric locomotive will be required to run the 22 coaches rake. To run the 22 coaches LHV rake, it is required for electric locomotive per hour 1440 into 4, that means 5760 unit electricity. The cost of electricity per unit is rupees 6. So total cost will be 5760 into 6, that means rupees 34560. Single phase to 3 phase converter is required to provide electric power for 22 coaches rake. So 2 number converter each having capacity 500 kVA should introduce inside the electric locomotive. In summer season, average 65 into 4, that means 260 unit electricity is required per hour for 22 coaches rake. So total expenditure will be only rupees 260 into 6, that means rupees 1560. So by applying HOG technology for 22 coaches rake, the total expenditure by the Railway Authority per hour will be for the electric locomotive rupees only 34560, and for the 22 coaches rake 1560, that means only rupees 36120. To run 22 coaches express train by using diesel, the expenditure per hour was rupees 1,32,000. But applying HOG technology, the expenditure will be only rupees 36120. Naturally, to construct the railway 25 kV overhead line, the authority have to invest only one time. And by this investment, running expenditure for each and every train per hour will be reduced to 3.5 times than previous. So to save the railway economically, it is very much needed at present to apply HOG technology. In N-on generation system, diesel engine is used and its running noise level is so high, around 100 decibel. By applying HOG technology, the noise level will be reduced up to 40 decibel. Yearly, 700 metric ton carbon emission is taking place from each train by burning of diesel. That will be reduced by applying HOG technology. The reservation of fossil fuel in the earth is going to reduce. By applying HOG technology, yearly up to 1 million liters of diesel will be saved. For the urgent work, diesel engine maintenance cost is so high. By applying HOG technology, 70% running maintenance cost will be reduced. By applying HOG technology, it is not necessary to use 2-number power car with the rake. Only one power car may use for emergency purpose. So extra passenger coach may attach with the rake. By using extra passenger coach, daily above 4 lakhs number of berths may increase. That is why revenue of the railway will be enhanced. If it is compared in between end-on generation or EOG and head-on generation or HOG technology, at a glance it is seen. So by applying clean and eco-friendly technology like head-on generation or HOG, the railway industry will become healthy. That is why GDP of this country will be increased, lots of employment will be generated. Ultimately, the position of the country in the world will be powerful. I am stopping this video right now. In the next video, you must see how does HOG technology work effectively and how to solve the problem related to HOG very easily. If you are in the first time in my channel, so press the subscribe button for notification of next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.